Hi, I'm Josh. Let's make chicken tikka chaat, a traditional savoury snack sold by street vendors. A great starter or side dish and just perfect served on homemade puree. Please take a second to like the video. Thanks. Add the oil and onions and fry for a couple of minutes. Add in the garlic and ginger, stir and allow to fry for around 30 seconds. Add the fenugreek leaves and watered down tomato paste. Stir and fry for a minute. In with the mix powder, chilli powder and tandoori masala powder. Mix, adding a little base, and fry for a minute. Add the chicken tikka, tomato, cucumber and remaining base, mixing through well. Fry for a couple of minutes before stirring through the chaat masala. Continue cooking for a further minute before serving in a bowl with fresh chopped coriander or street food style in a large homemade fried puree, for which the recipe link is in the description. Please remember to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.